Hi guys, I'm just in Roslin Glen at the midway point, halfway up, halfway down. There's the Esk there. And there's the sunlight. I was just reflecting on the multitude of ways you can connect with nature and how to free well, the freeing of the soul is actually done by yourself, but the actual catalyst can be done from nature. Used to be done wholeheartedly, I think, in nature, but then we've changed since then, and now it's only a catalyst. So I was just thinking about the depth of the emotional body down there, and then this height of the light, and the different quality, and how that relates to different feeling. So I just want to leave it there. Bye for now.